Welcome back. The incomplete construction of toilets at Kalkonda Margaon has become a reason of worry for the locals. The partial construction attracts mosquitoes and other pests. People are worried about the epidemics. They have demanded immediate construction of the toilets.
Have a look at this. This has become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Initially, there were no proper toilets. People demanded renovation of the toilets. Municipality took up the matter after a long wait and started the work. However, now it is lying abandoned. Moreover, sewage water has accumulated in the demolished area. People are upset with the municipality.
एक महिना आले सुलभ आहे टॉयलेट मोडलेलो आता अजून सारको करपा ते खबरूच काडना काम करपाचें पयर तेंच्यानी 4 दीस जाले परत ते फोन मारला ते जोराडे जाले भितर उदकान सगळे पळय जालें ते टाकी सोपीट बुडलेलें आहा ते सोपीटा उदक सगळें ते गळतीन गेलां आसा ते फोन मारला तितून ते काम करता 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 म्हणटा ते उदक नळाचें उदक ना भितर मेन म्हटल्यार टॉयलेटान बसता लोकांचे हाल जाल्ले आख्खे वाड्या वयले
तुम्ही कंप्लेंट करू ना
कंप्लेंट केली कोणा कडेन कंप्लेंट करपाक कंप्लेंट केल्यार ते करतात म्हणून सांगता साव्यो म्हणा मनशाक घेवन येयलो पण साव्याक काय रायट ना साव्यो कित्याक कसो घेवन येयलो काय म्हणटा
हांगा पयलीं येयले ते मोडून गेले तुका मागीर ते कोण येयली आनी पयर 8 दीस जावंक ना येवन गेले आनी आमचो संडास करून दिता म्हटलें आनी ते हे सगळे काडून माती उडयल्या आनी अजून काय कोणाचो पत्तो ना नळ ह्या सारको करता म्हटल्यार तोय बी नळ सारको करूंक ना.
Now people have demanded the repairs and construction as soon as possible. They are agitated as their annual puja in the temple is scheduled in next month. They say they can't undertake religious ceremony in this mess. A reporter from Kalkonda, Sameer Bhatt.
Social worker advocate Alda Vegas has asked the government to forthwith have a crisis center on emergency basis to counsel the rape victims. She has also suggested that a DNA testing laboratory should be set up in Goa. She was speaking at a state-level forum on sexual assault, Know It to Fight It, organized at the Chowgule College in Margaon.
The forum was organized by the Department of Psychology on Saturday at Chowgule College. Students of psychology and others participated from all over Goa in this discussion.
Crisis centers need to be set up. We've been talking to the government about this. How long the government takes it. Our government is slightly deaf over the years. For the past 20 years, I found the deafness not improving. We need crisis centers on an emergency basis to look, to counsel the rape victims. I've asked the latest health minister also to set up DNA testing laboratories. We don't have one in Goa. And our rape cases, when the viscera goes for DNA testing, takes a long time to come back.
Advocate Alda Vegas said that a powerful support system is needed as a helpline for counseling the disturbed minds.
Sexual harassment, assault takes place in the person which are known to you, which are your acquaintance, not outsiders. Outsiders, I would say, term it as red. But the people who are known to you, who are close to you, who are your friends, who know ins and outs of you, are the people whom you are vulnerable to be exploited.
Please ensure that your sexuality is treasured to be used only through the institution of marriage. It is quite uncouth to have a person being seduced prior to marriage and fall victims to such sexual immorality.
Other prominent speakers also participated in the discussion. A reporter in Margaon, Sameer Bhatt.
The protests in Egypt have forced tourists to visit other tourist destinations, including Goa. The industry expects an increase in 15% room occupancy in the coming days. But the non-availability of visa on arrival to tourists could affect these figures.
Egypt's loss is Goa's gain. After the protest in Egypt, tourists who had planned to visit the country are now heading to other global destinations, including Goa. Most of these tourists are Russians. The tourism industry estimates a minimum 700 additional tourists could come from Moscow. With hotels already flooded with inquiries, there could be an increase in 15% in room occupancy.
Last 1 week, there has been about a 10 to 15% increase in arrivals of foreign tourists, mostly charters, in view of the problems in Egypt and Tunisia and some of the countries. So a lot of tourists who are going to these countries have now given an option of coming to Goa, and that's why tourist numbers have picked up. I think it's a good development for Goa overall.
But the TTAG says the number of these tourists could have swelled if the visa on arrival facility was available to them.
We have clients who are booked to go to Egypt, come to Goa, but the numbers which are going to Thailand, to China is huge. And the main reason being, these countries are offering visas on arrival. This is the main reason for clients moving to these destinations. So imagine if we had allowed visas on arrivals in Goa, we would have had bigger numbers coming to Goa.
After meeting the Chief Minister and Tourism Minister, the TTAG now plans to make a presentation to Union Government to treat the matter on priority. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pal.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.